Selection in genetic programming algorithms. In this module, we will discuss about the selection procedure which are used for the selection of parents in genetic programming algorithms. Like most of the evolutionary algorithms, genetic programmings are also used more or less the same criteria for selection of parents on probabilistic basis as are being used by other evolutionary algorithms, and these probabilistic methods are actually based upon majorly on the fitness functions or on the fitness score. So it means that it's also using the same criteria for selecting of parents, that those parents are more probably selected as a parents for the next round, which having more fitness scores or which having more fitness values. The fitter the individuals, the more the probability it has to be selected for as a parent for the next round, as the case was with other evolutionary algorithms. By this we mean that the better the individual has, the more the opportunity it has to propagate its characteristics into the next round. प्रोबेबिलिस्टिक टेक्निक्स इसीलिए यूज़ होते हैं क्योंकि फिटनेस स्कोर्स को रैंक किया जाता है, और डिपेंडिंग अपॉन द फिटनेस स्कोर, जिसका फिटनेस स्कोर जितना ज़्यादा होता है तो उसकी प्रोबेबिलिटी भी उतनी ज़्यादा होती है कि वो ज़्यादा सेलेक्ट हो और आगे राउंड में नेक्स्ट जनरेशन में ज़्यादा प्रोबेबिलिटी हो कि ज़्यादा फिटर इंडिविजुअल्स मौजूद होंगे फॉर ब्रीडिंग एज़ कम्पेयर टू द प्रीवियस जनरेशन, और वहाँ पे ज़्यादा फिटर इंडिविजुअल्स होंगे तो वो हमें मोर ऑप्टिमिस्टिक, मोर optimal solutions दे सकते हैं. So that's why these types of probabilistic selection methods are equally and also applied by the genetic programming techniques. The most commonly employed selection methods in genetic programming are the tournament-based method and followed by the Rowlett-Weed selection method. Rowlett-Weed selection method actually belongs to the category of fitness proportionate selection. In both the methods are basically dependent upon the fitness of the individual. In case of the tournament selection method, to select an individual from a population, a tournament is to be organized to select the most fitter individual from that population, and the winner of that tournament is to be selected as an individual to be selected as a parent for the next round, and it will have the opportunity to pass its characteristics to the next generation. For example, in this figure, we see that different individuals are being ranked according to their fitness. Here are their fitness values of each of the chromosome, and depending upon the fitness values, some of the individuals are being selected from the pool of these individuals. For example, these three being selected to participate in a tournament. And the winner of this tournament will be selected as a parent for the next round. For example, in this case, A has been selected as a winner of this tournament because A has the most as the winner of this tournament. Though A having not the highest fitness value, but it was given the opportunity to compete with the other individuals and in this tournament, and it's the winner. That's why it's been selected. Now, to select another individual from the population, another tournament will be organized, and similarly another individual will be selected. And for selecting the whole population, that n number of times that these tournaments will be organized to select the parents for the next round. Similarly, in case of the Rowlett-Weed selection, Rowlett-Weed selection depends upon the fitness of the individual. The more fitter the individual has, the more probability it has to be selected as a parent for the next round. Now, in this case, each parent has the potential and has the opportunity to be selected more than one time for the next round. Now, this is Rowlett-Weed selection is based upon a biased game, the Rowlett game. In this Rowlett-Weed selection method, a Rowlett wheel is to be designed having n number of pockets, and the number of pocket is proportional to the number of individuals in that population. The wheel is designed so as to having a number of pockets, and the portion of the pocket or the area of the pocket is proportional to the fitness of the individual. So the more fitter the individual has, the bigger size of the pocket will have. And then a ball has been spun and then waited the ball to settle in a certain pocket. For example, in this case, the ball has been fallen into this pocket number 7, which has a fitness function of 156. So this individual number 7 will be selected as one of the individual as a parent. So we will yield individual number 7 in this round, and then to select another individual, another round of spinning the ball will be performed, and then wait for the ball to fall into some pocket. And if it falls into any pocket, that number of individual will be selected. For example, if in another round this ball falls into, for example, it falls into this pocket number 4, so this individual will be selected which has a fitness function of this one. So we will yield one individual 7, 1, 4, and then for n number of times this ball will be spun, and the population of defined size will be generated in this manner. Anyhow, these are the two most popular methods which are used in genetic programming algorithms, but these are not the only methods which are used widely by different genetic programming practitioners. Any appropriate type of selection method can be used to raise the initial population and to select the parents among any round of population. So there is a possibility of using any appropriate evolutionary algorithm selection method in the case of genetic programming as well.